Hello everyone. Well, this week the new design team kit from Couture Creations arrived for me, so I was going to have a look through it before I decide what I'm going to make, and I thought I'd share that moment with you. So the first thing that I'm seeing are a whole bunch of new cut foil and emboss dies here, possibly a few other things, so let's take a look. Oh, some loose dies there. What are these? Okay, so I've got a newborn word, love, and just a row of hearts. Ah, how lovely. So they'll be cool because they're nice and small for card making, as are these Dazzlier designs. So we've got a flamingo, always good in pink. Oh, cute puppy doggy. A stamp here, so that's from the Christmas collection. That's coming up in a minute. Then we've got two here, so we've got love and then a love heart. Interesting to see what we could do with those. And for the cat lovers, we've got the kitty cat. Mistletoe? No, holly. I'll get my Christmas things right. We've got two mother word strips there. We've got to and from, great for gift making. And then a starry design. So they're all quite cool. Already getting a few ideas. How about you? Now what's next? So these were only recently brought out by Couture Creations. One is their craft knife, which I will add to my little collection in my large tool bag, and it's got a few spare blades as well, always good to have on hand. Looks like they're standard size blades as well, so we'll be able to find those easily. And then a mini scoring board, yeah, again great for smaller projects, and even envelopes and envelope boxes and gift boxes, believe it or not. So lots of score lines available, and all of the instructions are on the packet, so we shall never lose those because we can store those together with the board. So there's details there for different card folds and for envelopes. Next up, interesting, this is the first time I've seen these, but I beg your pardon, first time I'll use them, as I saw them in Australia. But these are basically cards that we have a mixture of die cut decoupage, or decoupage, sorry, together with some shiny peel-offs that we put together, and they have the look of embroidery. It's called Dot and Do, and it's recommended by Adriana Bolzon, who is amazing at doing these. Now for the Christmas collection, we've got some calendar tabs, 10 of those in that pack. Great for creating projects to give us gifts at Christmas, ready for the new year. Only 100 and whatever days left, unless you're watching this in the new year, and then haha, it's here, happy new year. Anyway, some great hot foil stamp borders here, nice long borders, great for the edges of cards. An Ephemera Pack. I really like using these because there's lots of useful little bits in there that we can use to make cards with. Naughty and Nice mini paper pad, 24 sheets, double-sided, so you've got plenty of design styles to work with. I'll show you on the bigger sheets though, so you can see more detail. A couple of Christmas themed dies. I believe this one says Silent Night, but I'm reading it backwards, so could be anybody's guess. We'll see when it die cuts out. And then a curly swirly reindeer. Oh, actually that would fit on that bauble, as with the reindeer. Off he goes, bye. Anyway, sorry, in my own little world. Okay, the papers. So these are the 12 by 12 versions of those mini ones you saw, all of them double-sided. Nice muted colour tones I'm seeing here, so not too garish, and quite traditional themed style as well. So very practical indeed. Nice big open spaces if you're a scrapbooker, and if you're a card maker, lots of detail on the patterned sides. So we'll manage to get use out of these regardless of which papercraft style we prefer to engage in. Oh there, yes, nice big memento, maybe even of the family at Christmas dinner. Oh, I'm hungry now. Speaking of hungry, I don't think Santa is. Look at that belly. Anyway, oh, that's nice. That'll make some nice little gift boxes, perhaps. or even the front of an advent calendar. That doll looks a bit sad though. Beautiful red side, and then some muted Santas blending into the background there, so they're not going to override whatever imagery you want to put on front. Love this damask design. A nice holly border there. Make a great picture frame in a box frame. Ooh, nice traditional fir Christmas trees. Musical notes. Ah, okay, here we go. So, maybe some toppers for cards, maybe artist trading cards, maybe even just photo backgrounds. You could crop those out and use them however you want, really. Interesting. Again, oh, Christmas crackers. Roll this up and you've got the strip right around the middle. And there's that damask again in a different colourway. Oh, and the little strips across the top are great because they can make borders on your cards. Right. Okay. Oh, one more thing I've got to show you. Hang on, let me just stack these neatly. So there's a new collection of cut foil and embossed dies coming out that actually have separate borders to cut them out. So these are very exciting. So look out for those wherever you are in the world. They should be coming up. I'll leave links to the Couture Creations website though, so you can see if there's a stockist near you, or even, you know, get in touch with them and give them a wink and say, can you get these in? Okay, so that's it for the design team kit peek. I've got plenty of ideas already brewing. I don't know about you. In fact, one of those ideas was to use the Gentleman Crafter cut foil and embossed dies along with the Dot and Do decoupage. They'd fit perfectly in the central areas of those. And there's a few designs I think they'd work well with. Look out for those projects coming up soon on the channel, or even on my blog, gentlemancrafter.com. So that's it. A nice chunky kit to get to grips with over the next few weeks. I hope you'll come back and see what I've made. Leave comments if you've got any questions or comments, or even ideas for using the kit. Of course, if you do like this channel, or even me, just click the like button and say thanks for this video. If you'd like to see more, click the subscribe button. Simple as that. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.